Hey, this is Josh. And if you're figuring out life in your 20s like the rest of us, tara, let's navigate our 20s together. May moments sa 20s na medyo weird. Hindi naman siya big event, pero mararamdaman mo siya slowly. Yung moment na marirealize mo na paiba-iba na ng path yung mga kaibigan mo. Dati kasi, halos pare-pareho lang kayo ng direction. Same school, same schedule, same problems. Kung may exam, sabay-sabay kayong nasa-stress. Kung may break, sabay-sabay din kayong nagse-celebrate. Parang pare-pareho lang yung takbo ng buhay. Pero somewhere along the way, nagbabago siya. Unti-unti. May friend na nag-corporate job, yung isa nag-freelance, yung isa nag-business, yung isa nag-abroad, yung iba naman bumabalik sa school. And suddenly, hindi na pare-pareho yung direction ng buhay nyo. Minsan, mapapansin mo to sa small things. Mas mahirap nang mag-schedule ng meetups, iba-iba na ng oras ng trabaho, iba-iba na ng priorities, yung dating isang chat lang, kompleto na kayo. Ngayon, minsan weeks or months before dapat is-schedule. And sometimes, may konting sadness din doon. Hindi dahil may mali, pero dahil nare-realize mo lang na nagbabago na talaga yung stage ng buhay nyo. May times din na mapapaisip ka, magkaibigan pa rin ba kami kung ganito naka-different yung buhay namin? O kaya naman, normal lang ba na parang hindi na kami same wavelength minsan? And honestly, yes, normal lang yun. Because the truth is, your 20s is the time when people start building their own lives. And kapag nagsisimula na mag-build ng sariling buhay ang bawat isa, inevitably, magkakaiba talaga ng direction. But having different paths doesn't mean drifting apart completely. Minsan, it just means na nag-evolve yung friendship nyo. Hindi na siya tulad ng dati na araw-araw kayong magkasama, pero nandun pa rin yung connection. Nandun pa rin yung shared history. Yung mga memories na kayo lang ang may alam. And sometimes, those friendships become quieter, less frequent, but deeper. Because when you finally get the chance to catch up again, parang walang nagbago. Kwento ulit, tawanan ulit, same comfort, even if months or years yung pagitan. Life in your 20s really does this. People grow, people change, people explore different directions. And that's not always easy. And it is also part of becoming adults. So, if lately, napapansin mo na parang paiba-iba na yung path ng mga friends mo, maybe that is not something to be afraid of. Maybe it's just a sign na lahat kayo unti-unti nang nagbe-build ng sariling buhay. And sometimes, even if your paths look different, you can still walk beside each other, just in different ways. And if you're figuring out life in your 20s, just like the rest of us, tara, let's navigate our 20s together. Usap ulit tayo next time.